Hello, welcome back to Capsim, Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips to win on rounds lesson 11. Lesson 11 to focus on the marketing, price, promotion, sale, and sale forecast for this season in the marketing. Lesson 11. So now I show you the detail for the marketing, set price, promotion, and sale forecast. So we see the marketing here, right? And we see the price here for the first round. And the price comes from the report here. Traditional, you see. Traditional, the price range here 30 and not important, so we can set 29.5. We also check the top selling price here, but we don't need to set 28, right? And the low end, the price range here 25, but the low end very important 53%, so we need to keep close 21, so we set 20.5. And for the high end, the price not important, 9% only, so we don't need to 38, we can set close to 40, so we set 39.5. And for the performance, the price only 90%, 35, so we don't need to get 33, we set 30 close to 35, so we set 34.5. And for the size, the price range 35, but not important at all, 9% only, so we can set. Don't need to get 33, we set close to 35, so we set 34.5. So each round we need to check this top selling price, and then later on round from 1 to 8 we need to check again and again to adjust the price based on the top selling products and based on the price accepted by the customer. Okay, and for the promotion and sale, again promotion and sale we set 2000 the max, because we know that the 2000 is the most optimal, right? 2000 is the most optimal. After that it will be going down, after that's going down, so 2000 is most optimal, so we set 2000 promotion and 2000 for sales, 2000 for sales, right? And then the two most important product we set 2000, the other we set only half, because account only for 10%, this account 40%, 30%, and 10%, so we can adjust that. And for the sales forecast, very important, we check page number 4. Here we are team B, right? You see the unit result from last round and inventory, so we base on these two columns, unit results and inventories here, to calculate the sales forecast. To do so faster, you can use the Excel file like this to copy and paste unit result inventories here and multiple by the segment growth here, and then we have the sales forecast. We can add about 10 or 50%, depends on each round, to get to the sales forecast and production. So you can see the sales forecast here. And also if we put the number in sales forecast here, right? Sales forecast you put in, and then next video we can check the production. So that's overview and details guide for lesson 11, marketing, price, promotion, sale, and sales forecast. You can check the other video for more lesson, right? 15 lesson only, and then you can get the top sale and profit like you see on screen if you have the right strategy right from round 1, right? Right from round 1. Top sale, top profit, top stop price, and also understand all the decision, right? Understand all the decision for each round, not only winning but also understand all the decision. And if you still need the support, you can send the email to get support for 8 rounds, or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.